And as you just heard, the snow may look pretty, but it is making things ugly on the roads. Driving conditions quickly deteriorated just before noon, and they're still bad out there. WCCO's Marielle Mohs checked in with MnDOT to see how they're tackling these winter roads.
MnDOT says of all of the winter weather challenges that they prepare to face, they're facing all of them at once in this storm. MnDOT says the first challenge is the fact that the snow started off as rain. The snow is sticking to the wet roads like glue. Then the consistent heavy snowfall is leading to a lot of compact snow and ice bonding to the roads. They're also dealing with strong winds. And lastly, the cold temperatures are making their tools like brine less effective. We found drivers who pulled off the highways because conditions were so bad on 494 in Plymouth.
It was scary because people was trying to get to some place where they think they needed to go really quick, and one truck pulled in between me and a car in front of him, so it was kind of like a sandwich thing, and that was scary. So then I finally said, okay, I can't do this, so I pulled over.
MnDOT says don't expect road conditions to improve anytime tomorrow because the temperatures will be so cold. This heavy snow will likely freeze and cause slick conditions. They said if you don't have to drive, don't. They need the roads clear so they can do their job. Reporting in Plymouth, Marielle Mohs, WCCO 4 News.
MnDOT has 800 snow plows out on the roads working in 12-hour shifts today and into tomorrow.